Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can probably see from the title of the video today, we're going to be baking a cake. So anyone who's in Denver knows that recently the marketplace on Lerner Street announced that they won't be reopening after quarantine. However, they have made their very popular spring fling cake recipe public and it's been posted online. So today, for those of you who are very familiar with their popular spring fling cake, we will be baking it as part of my channel. So if you're interested in learning how to bake this very delicious fruit cake, then stick around and keep on watching. Okay, so this recipe calls for 2.5 cups of shredded zucchini. So I have my attachment on my mixer, and now I'm going to take my zucchini and feed it through and start getting these shredded. Got about 2 cups now. So I'm gonna go through, put this into the mixing bowl because I'm gonna be mixing it anyway. I still need another 1/2 cup. Okay, in the same mixing bowl that you're gonna mix the batter, go ahead and put in your 2.5 cups of your shredded zucchini. We're going to also mix with that our eggs, our sugar, our oil, our sour cream, and our vanilla, and I'll make sure to include all of the ingredients in the screen. So we have 5 eggs that we're including in this. 1 1/4 cup of sugar. One-4 cup of oil. One cup of sour cream. 1/2 tablespoon of vanilla. Alright, so I'm going to throw my attachment onto my mixer. So I'm gonna let that mix for a minute. Okay, now that has mixed, we're gonna go ahead and add the remaining ingredients, which is a pinch of salt, it's a 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and 3.5 cups of flour. I'm gonna take my 9-inch pan and it's time to pour the batter. So like I'd mentioned, because it's a 9-inch, I'm not gonna pour all of it. So I only pour it to about halfway. Shake it up. Okay, so it is ready. The oven is preheated. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my mixture to the oven. Time that for about 50 minutes. And about 5 minutes till, we'll give it a quick check to see how it's going. Okay, so next we're gonna go ahead and prepare the whipped topping, and we're gonna refrigerate this once it's done for when the cake and the fruit is ready to go. So first I'm gonna mix what is the cream cheese, which is 3/4 cup of cream cheese. I'm gonna add that into my bowl that has the whipping attachment ready to go. And then also the next thing that I'm gonna add, which we're gonna mix together, is 1/4 cup of butter. We're gonna add that in here. Make sure both of these items are ready to go at room temperature for easier mixing.
Why mine? What's mine?
So we're gonna whip these until they're both smooth. Okay, so we'll let that go for a minute, and then as that's going, we'll keep an eye to see when it's ready to go and it's smooth. And then once it is ready, we'll start mixing in some powdered sugar. The powdered sugar is going to be mixed in gradually, and in total we have 2.5 cups of powdered sugar, 2 cups, sorry, that we're going to be mixing in. To make that easier for me, I'm just going to mix in 1/2 cup at a time. So in total it'll be 4 cups that I'm adding in, and then that way I ensure that it's a gradual addition. Now that that's done, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream, and we're gonna whip it until it's stiff. Now I'm gonna take just my hand mixer here with my whipping attachment, and same thing. I am just going to whip that until it is stiff. Alright, so there it is. We've got some whipped cream ready to go. So there it is. Bless you, Mama. So we're going to take the whipping cream and we're going to put that back into the mixer. And then instead of using the whipping attachment, we're just going to fold it in to mix it into the mixture here. All right, so we have a now frosting topping ready to go and our bread in the oven. So once that's done, we'll go pull that out and we'll finish the cake on camera. So I will see you guys soon. Alright guys, so this is where it's gonna get good. So the cake is cooled, we have the fruit diced up, we have the frosting ready to go. The next thing is now to slice the cake in half. This is where my non-baker skills will definitely show. So I've probably only ever sliced a couple cakes, and even then it's not been super successful. So we'll see how this one goes. So I'll go ahead and set up the camera, and then at this point we'll go ahead and just start frosting, laying out the fruit, and getting the cake finished. So let's get that done. Okay guys, so don't really know what I was going for with the decoration there, but there you have it. There we have the spring fling cake. If you guys like these kinds of videos, let me know, and then I'll make sure to keep posting something similar to this. Other than that, don't forget to hit subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that thumbs up button if you liked this. If you have any questions, go ahead and put them down below and I'll get back to you guys. Other than that, I will see you guys in the next one. See ya.